In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tripadvisor to find the perfect restaurant for your next dining experience. Whether you're searching for a great spot in a new city or just looking to try something new in your neighborhood, Tripadvisor's restaurant search tool can make your decision a lot easier. Let's dive right in and explore how to navigate this feature effectively. First, you'll want to head over to tripadvisor.com. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll see various options. Click on Restaurants. This will guide you to the section where you can begin your culinary search adventure. As you arrive at the restaurant page, you'll notice the search bar prominently displayed. Here, you can fill in what you're looking for. Perhaps you want to explore restaurants in a specific city, such as typing in Manila restaurants. Alternatively, if you have a particular restaurant in mind, you can go ahead and enter its name. If you're in the mood for a certain type of cuisine, like Italian restaurants in Cebu, type that in. You can also search by an area or neighborhood, such as Makati, to narrow down your choices. Once you've filled in the search bar, press Enter, and Tripadvisor will present you with a list of restaurants that meet your criteria. Now, with potentially hundreds of options before you, it's time to refine your search. Look to the filters on the left-hand side or across the top of the page. These filters are your best friends in narrowing down the perfect match for your tastes and needs. You can filter by cuisine. Maybe you're in the mood for Japanese, Filipino, Italian, you name it. The price range filter lets you choose spots that fit your budget, and dietary options can be crucial if you're looking for vegetarian or gluten-free menus. Think about the time of day you'll be dining as well. You can filter by meals like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Plus, consider the rating filter to ensure you're seeing only highly recommended spots. Lastly, you'll find filters for suitability, which is great to find places good for groups, family-friendly locations, or perhaps something a bit more intimate for couples. Once you've used these filters to home in on a potential restaurant, click on any that catch your eye to learn more. Each restaurant page provides you with a wealth of information. You can take a peek at their menu, browse photos, and read through customer reviews for insights from fellow diners. You'll also find a map showing the location to plan your visit and details like opening hours to make sure they're open when you want to visit. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to finding the perfect restaurant using Tripadvisor. Whether you're planning a night out or just exploring new food options, Tripadvisor's features make it easy to discover great places tailored just for you. Happy dining?